This 2026 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 25G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Raleigh, North Carolina, 27610 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new grand design is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.